Fanttik Cordless Screwdriver Nex L1 Pro. 3 built-in LED lights. It comes with the carrying case and 12 bits. The accessories are very well organized in the case. It's very easy to operate with 2 control buttons on top. Torque adjustments and forward and reverse. The build quality is excellent. The chuck is metal and the rest is high quality plastic. It also comes with the short USB-C cable for recharging. It's the most powerful 3.6 volt screwdriver I've ever used. Let's try the gear 1, the lowest torque setting. Driving and drilling with different torque settings can be found later in this video. Let's do a quick unboxing. Reverse, forward. Oh, I like this electronic switch. That's the first of its kind in torque adjustment. Magnetic. One hand operation. Just pull like this, it will fall out. I love the fact that it's working like the DeWalt impact driver. You just insert the bit, charging cable, Torx, hex, flathead, Phillips, extension. I love the fact that you just need to insert it like so and it's secure in place and you pull up to release the bit. Magnetic. Charging test. USB-A to USB-C cable. Wow, that's pretty fast. 5.1 volts, 1.4 amps. That's like 7 watts of charging power. When it's charging, it cannot be used. That's the power indicator. There are generic torque setting instructions on the box. The first one for electronics and larger electronics, then furnitures, and then the highest torque setting for woodworking. A lot of power. It can drive in this screw without pre-drilling. Let's try the gear 1, the lowest torque setting. Okay, it stops at gear 1. Now let's increase the power to 2. Okay, 2 actually is good enough for half of the screw. Now let's try 3. Okay, stop right there. 4. 5, 6, the highest torque setting. Yes, and you can also use the screwdriver as a manual driver. If you get the correct bits and bite into that screw, reverse to back it off. No pre-drilling. This is probably one of the most powerful compact drivers that I have ever used. Amazing power. Let's pre-drill using the hex drill bits. can be also used as a drill, of course, but it will just drill in slowly, making putting down the screws a little bit easier, larger screws. I'm really putting it to the limit. There are a lot of bits to choose from. Make sure you guys pick the correct size to fit the screw. I really pushed it to the limit so you can see its capabilities and limitations. It's a beautifully designed product. I can easily recommend it to DIYers and homeowners. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.